So you started the conversation. Okay, good. But now, how do you continue it? You get stuck there. You just don't understand what to say next. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is me, Muskan. Without wasting any time, let's talk about it. Guys, a small request, please watch this video till the end. I want that in your life you never face this problem again. Let's go. Okay, for example, you started talking to someone. The conversation has begun. But how do you carry it forward? You don't know. You're clueless. For example, I want to talk to you. Done. Now I've started the conversation, but how do I continue it? I don't know. I feel stuck there. Now what happens is, with some people you connect automatically. Your vibes match or whatever it is. You both naturally start bonding. But in some cases, you can connect, but for that, you have to put in a little effort in the conversation. This is a fact, guys, both professionally and personally. This applies everywhere. See, one thing I keep telling you again and again. This is number one. Nothing can beat this. If you are the kind of person who keeps bringing the conversation back to yourself, then sorry, you need to change that. You need to be genuinely interested in what the other person is saying. In short, it's not a big thing. If I'm talking to you, my focus should be on you, your story, what you're saying. Completely. Very simple. Now, if my focus is on your words, automatically curiosity will come inside me, questions will come. My mind will open. In short, the conversation will flow automatically. I'll tell you how. For example, you're telling me, Muskan, today at the office this happened, and after that I felt this way. Then they said this and that. Now, if I'm interested in your story, automatically I'll feel curious. How did that happen? What did you say? What did they say? Or I'll show interest in your work life. Why was that tough for you? How was your day? In short, number one is showing genuine interest in the other person's words. For 2 minutes, forget about yourself. You can bring your own story later, but first show interest in them so they feel heard. Not ignored, not like you lack interest. Second, this is very important. Listen with interest, not with boredom. Imagine you tell me, Muskan, today was such a hectic day. Not just, oh, hectic, take rest. No. You said your day was hectic. That's a deeper thing. There's emotion in it. So my question should be, hectic how? Because of work or dealing with people? What made it hectic? That one word, how, can take the conversation to a completely different level. Instead of just saying, oh, okay, take rest, which means I didn't acknowledge your feeling at all. Guys, many people think, who will talk using all these techniques? But this is not a technique. This is something we should naturally do to become a good communicator. For example, if someone says, today I'm feeling this way, you should ask, why? Why are you feeling this way? It's very basic, but the impact it creates is something else. Next, once you've completed the first step, then slowly start adding your own stories or experiences. So the conversation doesn't become one-sided. It should be equal from both sides. For example, if someone is telling me something, I can relate it with my own story or experience. I listened to them, showed interest. Good. Now, if I also have something similar to share, I should share it. And this will feel very natural. If someone is telling me something, I can say, "You know, the same thing happened with me earlier." In short, the conversation keeps going. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you understood something as usual. And I really wish you practice this in your daily life. Next time, you shouldn't face this problem. Still, if you do, comment down and I'll reach out to you. That's it, guys. Take care. Take care of your health.